Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are at Dollar General to do the deals for the 5 off 25 savings on Saturday, September 19th only. Now, I know I was going to put up some breakdowns and I wasn't able to do that this week. But if you are the person that needed a deal with an Allegra, with Allegra in it, I definitely can give you that scenario that I did put together. But anyways, guys, let's go inside and take advantage of these savings. So in our first transaction, we're going to grab the Love Beauty Planet items. They are $5 a piece. We have a 5 off 2 digital coupon that does expire tomorrow, and I am loving this product. It is amazing for your hair. So that's going to be the first item we're going to get, and then we're going to grab the Oral-B Indicator Contour Clean toothbrushes. It's just the 1 count. There is $1 off of 1 digital coupon that you can use on your account. Then we're going to grab some Old Spice body wash, and I'm grabbing this Pure Sport, and that's what I was going to grab, of course. But then I went through and I was scanning all of my items because, of course, that is what I tell people to do. I do that normally, and I'm glad I did because it doesn't attach. So then I'm going to grab this Docalax here. It is $5.75, and we have a $3 off digital coupon. There's also an insert coupon for that as well, but we usually use digital coupons. So no, I'm pointing at that to tell you it does not work, and we're going to grab another kind. Then on another transaction, I am going to grab these Caress bar soaps. There is a 3 count and they are $2.75 a piece. We have a 2 off 2 digital coupon. And then we are going to grab 4 of these Suave men's body wash. We are going to use some paper coupons. They expire today. They are a buy one get one free body wash coupon. So you will get one of them for free. That's $2 off. And we have a 2 off 6 digital coupon for that as well that we can use. Then we're going to grab the Always Discreet liners. These are $5. We have a $5 off digital coupon that you can use with that. Make sure that you don't have the $2 coupon clips because the $2 off coupon will come off as well. Then we're going to do a Bayer scenario, I guess you could call it. We're going to grab this Alka-Seltzer there, $4.50. And then we're going to grab some Aleve that is $6.75, and that is the 50 count. Make sure it is the 50 count. That way you get all of the savings in one. And then let's look at the coupons that I'm going to use for this. So I have this $2 off coupon from the 830 Smart Source. There is a digital coupon available that you can use. And then I'm going to use this $4 off coupon from the 913 Smart Source. And there is a digital version available, but it is for $2 instead. Alright guys, I am back in from Dollar General and everything seemed to go well. I had 1 coupon I think did not come off. My total was still under $5, so I'm not going to complain. But for whatever reason, it didn't come off, so I'm not sure. I'll have to double check my account. But anyways, yeah, everything went great. So let's get into the savings. Okay, so I did 2 transactions. And the first transaction I did was for, I have no idea. It's not themed. But anyways, I got 2 of the Old Spice body washes. These have, for this month and last month, have been on a really great promotion where we are getting a buy one get one free coupon in the P&Gs, and so the digital coupon that we are getting for this guy is $5.49 off of 2, and that is huge. So make sure that you don't clip that $1 off 2 coupon. If you did and you haven't been able to do this deal, I would not do the deal because the only way to take off coupons on Dollar General's app and your accounts is to use them. So you would have to essentially use the coupon to be able to use the higher value coupon, and that's just not worth it. It's like 50 cents off each one, and that just isn't worth it to me. So going forward from here, if we get a coupon like this next month and you're going through your app, don't clip the $1 off 2 Old Spice coupon first. Just don't clip it. See if there's a $5.49 off of 2 or something similar. So anyways, I grabbed the $4.50 body wash. Of course, there are 2 of them, and so it's $9, and then you get $5.49 off of these 2 together. So that is a really great hunk off of your transaction. So there is that. Then I got the Indicator Contour Clean, just the single one. These are $2. We have $1 off of 1 digital coupon for this guy here. And for whatever reason, I never knew in my whole life that the Indicator Contour Clean meant this guy right here will tell you if you need a new toothbrush or not. I never knew that. So anyways, there is that one. Then I grabbed some Docalax. These are they're a laxative. There's 25 in this little box here, and they are $5.75, and we have a $3 off digital coupon for this guy here. And then the last thing I got was the Love Beauty and Planet shampoo and conditioner, and these are $5 a piece, and so that's $10, and then there's a 5 off 2 digital coupon. We've had that coupon for quite some time. It does expire tomorrow, so I did want to do this one more time before it expired. And we've had it for quite a while, and I wish I would have taken advantage of it more because I really like that stuff. So anyways, that is all for my transaction, and I will tell you how much that transaction came to. It came to $26.75, and then I had $19.49 in coupons. That includes the 5 off 25, and so that brought my total down to $7.26, and I will show you the receipt here now. So here is my receipt. As you can see, I had $19.49 in coupons or savings. So I got the Old Spice Bear Glove, the Pure Sport that I grabbed, did not attach to that account. So just make sure you scan everything. There is the other one there. They're $4.50. And then there is the digital coupon there. There is the Love Beauty Planet for $5. And they took $2.50 off of this one and $2.50 off of this one. And I learned that that is because it's a store coupon and not a manufacturer coupon. So there is that second one. Then we have the Oral-B toothbrush, and there is the digital coupon. And then here is the Docalax, and for $5.75, and then there is a $3 off digital coupon. There is my total. And yeah, guys, I think under $10 for those items is a really, really good deal. All right, guys, sorry about the lighting. I had to move to a new location. So the girl came out. She looked really suspicious. So I wanted to move because I didn't want to make her feel weird. So anyways, in the next transaction that I did, this is where there was a small little issue, but not really. I mean, it just depends on how you look at it. And I will talk about that when we get there. But this transaction, it was still under $5, so I am super happy with that. Now, the first thing I got was the Aleve 50 count. These are $6.75. And then I used a $4 off of 1 coupon from the 913 Smart Source. And then I got the Alka-Seltzer Heartburn Chews because these are $4.50. And I use a $2 off coupon from the 830 Smart Source. Then when you buy 2 of these, or these 2 together, it equals $11.25. We also have a digital coupon that's $3 off of 10 of Bear items. So you can use this together with your 5 off 25. I did it last week and it works like a charm. So anyways, then the next thing I got was the Always Discreet pads for bladder leaks, but these work totally fine for normal pads, and they're just like a normal pad. But anyways, these are $5, and we have a $5 off digital coupon for this. Now, it doesn't say DG exclusive on it, but I didn't get them on all of my accounts. So if you have this, you have it. If you don't, you don't. But you can take advantage of the savings. And then if you think the pad is too much like a bladder pad, then you can donate them. So you can always donate a free item. Then the next thing I got was the Caress Bar Soap. These are these are not $3. These are the 3 count, and they're $2.75 a piece. We do have a $2 off 2 digital coupons still available. that you can use for today. It does expire tomorrow, but mine did not come off for whatever reason. I don't know why. So there is that. And then the next thing I got was 4 of the men's Suave coupon, or the Suave men's body wash. These are $2 a piece. And I had a buy one, get one free coupon that was still valid today. It does expire today though. And it makes it $2 off each one of these. The first one went through fine. The second one didn't go through. And that is because when you have a buy one, get one free coupon or a $1 off 2 coupon at Dollar General, they have to scan the 2 items and then the coupon, 2 items and then the coupon. There you go. Then we also have a 2 off of 6 or a 2 off of 7 Suave digital coupon that you can stack on top of this because those are store coupons. Now I used the 2 off of 6 because I didn't have the 2 off 7 anymore on the account that I used. That's why I got all men's. Now if you have the 2 off 7 on your account, you don't have to get just the men's because it's any Suave products. So anyways, those are all the items that I got. That brought my total to $29.75. I had $27 in coupons, but that Caress did not come off, so that brought my total down to $25 in coupons. So that brought my total to $4.76. Now, I had some paper coupons and I had some digital coupons. I don't know what this girl was thinking because she waits on me all the time and she normally scans my paper coupons last. Then I never have a problem. My total always comes out right. But for whatever reason today, she scanned them first. And I didn't think anything of it. Because 9 times out of 10, when I have paper and digital, the order doesn't matter. So, I don't know. But anyways, I still got really great deals. I spent like $13 altogether for both transactions. So let me show you my receipt. And so for this transaction, here is my discreet pad for $5. And then here is my coupon. Here is my Suave Men. So you're going to see 1, 2, 3, 4. And there is the manufacturer coupon here. And then I think she had to price adjust them for the other one to, you know, to consider that, to be able to use that one. Then here is the Caress for $2.75 a piece. As you can see, there's only 1 store discount on here because of the 5 off 25. The other store discount should have been the 2 off of 2. Here is the Alka-Seltzer, and here is 2 store discounts, 1 for the 5 off 25, 1 for the 3 off of 10. And here is the manufacturer coupon for $2. Same thing with the Aleve. There is the Aleve right there. There is the store discounts for the 5 off 25 and the 3 off of 10. And then there's the $4 manufacturer coupon. There is my total. And there is my savings right there. I will definitely take it all day long, guys. And that is all I have for today, guys. As you can see, I am going to go inside and I am going to relax. We had frost this morning. It is chilly in Michigan. I woke up to like 38 degrees weather. Not that I'm complaining because we've had a hot, long summer. So anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great weekend, and I will see you guys in the next video. Oh, and of course, stay safe out there, guys. Stay healthy and stay kind to one another. Bye, guys.